Today we want to talk about triggers. What are triggers? Triggers are the things that help you in life. If you have any limiting belief and you want to overcome that limiting belief, the best thing to do is have a trigger. And there are different types of triggers. One could be doorways. You could take a doorway and associate the doorway with a kind of thought. For instance, if you want to make sure that you're always smiling, for instance, try this. Every time you walk through a doorway, smile. Make it a deep smile from within. Smile. And you know, the funny thing is that we walk through so many doorways, so it's easy to remember when, like in the office, the minute the door is about to open, you smile before the door opens. So whoever comes in sees you smiling, sees you in a good mood. And the funny thing is that when you act like that, after a while you start to feel it, you start to believe it. So use the doorways. You want to look confident, look positive. As soon as the door opens, keep your body posture up. That is something. Make eye contact. Work on it for like 20 days and then take another habit, work on it for 20 days and keep doing that, because eventually, as soon as the door opens, you're going to be on fire. These are the simple little things that make so much of a difference in your life. So set mind to purpose. You were born to make a difference. Have a good one.